So, my father is moving from his location to another and kind of wants to start from scratch a little bit. So he gave me this clock that he got at an estate sale many years ago. He says he never used the chime on it because it was loud and obnoxious. So I wound the chime up, and it's getting ready to. There's the chime and all that crazy stuff underneath the winding part. So it should chime any moment. And it should chime 12. As long as it's still like set in order. So I guess just wait it out for a moment and I guess we'll find out. And now it should be seconds away. Sorry for the wait. He says sometimes it's a little off, because now we're at, here we go. Yep, 12 chimes. It's still on track after all these years of him not using it. Cool. So that's your chime winder and that's your clock winder. Score. So it works. Nice clock too. Very well taken care of. Well, there we go. All right, later.